Hello, this is Carlos Rosa Suarez, and this is the CRS channel. We are going to continue with our pre-calculus exercises and problems. And now that we have finished our division exercises, we will follow on with simplifications. We are going to work out these following exercises. We have to simplify the following expressions. First one, x squared minus 16 over x squared plus 3x times x plus 3 over x minus 4. Second exercise, 4 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus 3 over x squared minus 16 minus 7 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. And the third, x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared plus x minus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 5. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is x squared minus 16 over x squared plus 3x times x plus 3 over x minus 4. Okay, so let's start with x squared minus 16. X squared minus 16 is x plus 4 times x minus 4. Remember, x squared is a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. It is 4 squared. And if you remember, a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared, which is a squared minus b squared. So we have a difference of squares here. So we have a is x and b is 4, because 4 squared equals 16. So x squared minus 16 equals x plus 4 times x minus 4. X squared plus 3x equals x times x plus 3. Remember, we factor out the x, which is the common factor. Okay, so that means that x squared minus 16 over x squared plus 3x times x plus 3 over x minus 4 is x plus 4 times x minus 4 over x times x plus 3, all that times x plus 3 over x minus 4. So as you can see here, we have x plus 4 here, and we have x plus 4 here, x minus 4 here, and x minus 4 here. These two cancel out. You have x plus 3 here, and you have x plus 3 here. Those two also cancel out. So you're left with x plus 4 over x. Okay, so let's go to our next exercise. 4 over x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus 3 over x squared minus 16 minus 7 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. So here we have to find x plus a times x plus a times x plus b, which gives us x squared plus ba plus a x plus ab. So we have to find a and b such that a plus b is minus 3 and a times b is minus 4. So those two numbers have to be 4 and 1. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1, or 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we have that I should have that a is plus 1 and b is minus 4. Plus 1 times minus 4 is minus 4, and plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, so the same goes, here we have the same case. Again, we had already solved x squared minus 16, which was x plus 4 times x minus 4. So here we have x plus 4 times x minus 4. And here we have to have a plus b should be 5 and a times b should be 4. So that's plus 4 and plus 1. Plus 1 times plus 4 is plus 4, and plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. So we have x plus 1 here and x plus 4 here. Okay. So what can we take out? Here we have 2 first. Regroup. So you know that 3 is here we regroup, but here we know that 7 is greater than 4 and 3, and we know also that 7 is 4 plus 3. So we just separate. We take a 4 here, and that's this minus 4 here, and we have x plus 4 times x plus 1 here, which is the denominator here. And we have 3, which we group here, and we have 3x plus 4 times 3 over x plus 4 times x minus 4. We have minus 3 times x plus 4 times over x plus 1 times x plus 4. So what do we have here? We have a common factor 1 over x plus 1, and we have a common factor here 4. So we take those two out, and we are left within parentheses with 1 over x minus 4 and minus 1 over x plus 4. Here we take out 3. Here we take out the 1 over x plus 4, which are the two common factors. And we have 1 over x minus 4, and here we have minus 1 over x plus 1. So here we have x plus 4 minus x minus 4, which gives you minus x plus 4. So that adds up to x minus x is, these two cancel out. 4 plus 4 is 8, times 4 is 32. X plus 1 minus x minus 4, which is minus x plus 4. Well, these two x's cancel out. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So we have 32 over x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. And here we have 15 over x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. So now we have that these two fractions have the same denominator. We just add up the numerators, and 32 plus 15 is 47. So our final result for the simplification is 47 over x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. Okay, now the third one is x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 2 minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared plus x minus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now this divided by this fraction is like multiplying by the inverse. That means we flip this fraction so that x squared plus 2x minus 15 is above, and x squared plus x minus 2 is in the numerator, and we multiply. So factoring out again, here we have that we need two numbers that added up give us 3, then multiplied give us minus 4. Those two numbers are 4 plus 4 and minus 1. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 1. Here we need two numbers that added up give us minus 2, and multiplied give us minus 3. Those are plus 1 and minus 3. So we have x minus 3 times x plus 1 here. Okay, now we simplify these. So we remember, we now have x squared plus 2x minus 15 here in the numerator, and we need to find two numbers that added up give us +2 and multiplied give us -15. Those two numbers are 5 and 3. In this case, 5 and -3. So that we have x plus 5 times x minus 3. Remember, 5 times -3 is -15, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, now here we have that we need two numbers that added up give us +1 and multiplied give us -2. So those two numbers are +2 and -1. +2 plus -1 give us +1, and +2 times -1 give us -2. So we have these two fractions here, and now we multiply them so that first we can see that x minus 1 cancels out with this x minus 1. This x minus 3 cancels out with this x minus 3. So we're left with x plus 4 multiplying x plus 5 and x plus 1 multiplying x plus 2, which is what we have here. Okay, now we have finished the exercise set involving simplifications, and in the next video we will go on with solving expressions for our variable x.